Man, I love this restaurant. I wish it would never go away. But I'm afraid we're gonna have to say farewell to the restaurant that I care about most. To the Rainforest Cafe. Don't want to let you go away. To be fair, you're the only restaurant I care about. What can I say? I loved going there to my birthday every year. The first year I'd been there was a time of my life. To be fair, I thought the food was great. It's a wild place to shop and eat. What a treat every time I got the volcano. I knew the whole song, so I sang along to their song. I wanna be strong to say goodbye. I'm about to cry. I guess it's time to say goodbye. It would always remember to be a good restaurant. I even got the merchandise from there. To be fair, I'm kind of the biggest fan there. I even know all about it, to be fair. I even know who's the CEO of that place. It's Steven Chesler. He's the man of the hour that created this place. But it's now owned by Legendaries, which owns Bubba Gumps and more. But the point is, I'm gonna miss this restaurant. Who cares if the animatronics are old? Everyone still loves it, including me. Yeah, sure, they may have long hours to wait, but trust me, it's worth the wait. But I can't believe it's closing down at Gurnee Mills, Disney, Woodfield Mall, and other places, like in Dubai and Mexico. I can even name every single place that it's been. I can even name the characters' names. There's Cha-Cha and even more. What I'm trying to say, I'm gonna miss you, Rainforest Cafe. I'm afraid to say it. I'm afraid to say goodbye. But I guess it's time. Sorry I had to make the song so short. It's better at least. But what can I say? I'm gonna miss this restaurant. From Daniel Galarza, Rainforest Cafe.